This is probably the worst Lasko box fan I've ever seen. Premium Lasko, completely covered in rust. 3-speed, both of the feet. Marco motor with the pedal blades in it. Just look at all that. Here's where I tried to wipe some of it off with a paper towel. It's a 98 to 99. And yeah, bottom's not too bad. Yeah. But let's see if this thing works. Well, I think it's dead. Oh, I'm gonna dig into this. Well, I plugged it into the wall and I bumped the switch and it worked, so I guess it didn't really connect. Had a bad connection at a drop cord or something, but here's high. All 3 speeds work. Yeah, the motor needs torn down. But yeah, these are kind of rare to find a premium one of these with the pedal blades and the big motor in it. Definitely used. But yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching.